The number of people infected with HIV in the Panhandle is growing, and a lack of knowledge about the issue may be to blame. News Channel 10's Cori joins us now live in the News Center with more on why this issue is increasing.
It's hard to pinpoint exactly why the number of people getting infected with HIV is growing, but there are some things we can do as a community to bring the issue back into the spotlight. Back in the early 90s, the AIDS virus was distinguished as deadly and rampant. However, with advanced medicine and technology, today the virus is 100% treatable. But now HIV has become an issue that hasn't been passed down through the generations as much as it should, resulting in a younger demographic who's contracting it.
Right now, PASO, the Panhandle AIDS Support Organization, is serving the largest client base that we've ever had in our 28-year history. As far as the disease itself and new infections, we are definitely seeing an increase in the infection rates in people under the age of 25.
This isn't only happening in the area, but throughout the nation as well.
You know, I think that a lot of that is because there is not a lot of focus on HIV prevention, education anymore. I think that young people really view HIV infection as an older person's disease, and that they just don't feel like they're at risk for HIV infection.
According to the Public Health Department, this is not the case, and it's not just unprotected sex we should be worried about. In fact, needle sharing is the #1 cause of AIDS to date. Unprotected sex is second. The best advice Tim Sisko can give is to get tested, something he says should be considered shameless and possibly life-saving. The Public Health Department has been given a grant by the state to conduct these tests for free and has since seen positive results.
We have had an increase in interest in being tested, which is a good thing. The best way that you can protect yourself and your partners is to know your status. And you can't know your status unless you're tested. And so we're very excited to see more interest in testing so that if we do identify a positive, we can link them to care and they can lead a happy, healthy life.
A list of this week's free testing sites and times can be found on our website, newschannel10.com. All tests are confidential and results take as little as 60 seconds to get back. Live in the News Center, Cori Duke, News Channel 10.